What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL, getting ready for 17-18 SP Authentic release day. We're still waiting for the cases to show up, but as soon as they show up, we're going to go for two breaks tonight. We got random teams, which is this one, and pick your team, which is the first one. So we're live. Good luck. Let's figure out the random teams. We'll give you guys lots of time for trades before the break start. 11-12 on the clock. Tim, spot 1. Mike, spot 31. There's 31 teams. Anaheim to Winnipeg. Vegas should be somewhere in there. Let's get this going, guys. 11-12 on the clock. Start with the teams. Good luck. 1, 2, 3 is a timestamp on 31. Timestamp on 3. It says 11-12. 11-12 it is. Last and final random on the teams. Usually be looking for your big rookies here like Keller, Besser, McAvoy. You definitely are looking for those teams, but there's a couple nice Easter eggs in here with your McDavids. 11-13, 11-13 with your McDavids and Matthews. So Edmonton, Toronto, also very exciting teams to have. Let's copy them over. It's supposed to go to 16. Vancouver, top of the list. Good stuff. Keep your eye out there. One of the most expensive teams in the break. And then we got Boston, another high-end team down at Tampa Bay. There's your teams. Let's match up some names. Again, 11-13. Tim to Mike. 1, 2, 3 is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 11-13. 11-13. Last and final will do it. Time to copy. Last and final timestamp says 11-13. Just turned 11-14. So copy him over. Steve back to Vancouver. Congrats, man. Down to Nick. Halfway mark. And Brennan to Mike. There's teams. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in more than a few hours. We'll see you tonight for the break, guys. Lots of time for trades. Good luck.